What's really good, guys? My name's Jamie, welcome back to Officially Gas. Now today I'm back with another review, and to kick 2020 off with a bang, guys, just look behind me. We've got a 629 brake horsepower B7 supercharged Audi Rs4. Guys, this is gonna be sick, so stay tuned and let's get it. Alright George, welcome to the channel.
Thanks very much.
Mate, 2020.
Yeah man, Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, yeah.
Good to meet you.
No, good to meet you too. I mean, seeing this car up close, mate, it's mint. We were speaking off camera. It is absolutely like, so yeah, testament to you and yourself, mate. What
it's
you've done with
taken
this
a
car.
lot of work, a lot of money, and I say a lot of time, but not really.
Really?
I only bought the car 6 months ago.
No way.
Yeah.
You've had it 6 months.
I told you I don't.
You don't mess
I
around.
don't mess about. Yeah, bought it 6 months ago. It was fairly clean, but just a bit tired. Needed some paint. Needed suspension on stock DRC suspension, which suffers. And I needed a clutch as well, actually.
Yeah.
So yeah, picked it up and just went mad.
Let's talk about your engine modifications. We have mentioned a supercharger. What supercharger and supporting mods does it take to get this to 629 brake?
So you basically just buy a kit.
Okay.
The sort of two most known in this country are TTS Performance, which is what I'm running, and APR do a kit as well. So TTS Performance, they use the Rotrex charger. It's a centrifugal charger. So when we get in it, you'll realise there's no whine or nothing.
Really?
Yeah. So you're
even when kind of giving it full beans.
No, there's no whine. It's a centrifugal charger, not a screw type. I think are the ones that whine.
That's right. Yep.
Yeah. So it actually feels naturally aspirated.
Okay.
That's
not a bad thing, though.
No, it's really good.
Yep.
So it still loves to rev. But you buy that as a package, so the engines are perfect for it.
No forging, everything's good.
The bottom part of the engines are forged on these from standard. Okay. I think I'm right in saying that. The top end, I think if you go more power, you have to adjust a bit. But yeah, it's literally you buy the TTS kit. So I've got the charger in the middle, 2 high pressure fuel pumps, a charge cooler, decap pipe and exhaust. That's it.
Wow.
That's it.
And a good map from MRC.
MRC, yeah. Okay. So shout out to them. They
they
actually mapped it on the same day, a bit of an emergency map.
So do you mind talking about how much this kind of setup costs?
Yeah, I mean, if you were to go to like MRC with a stock B7 and want to charge it, you're looking at sort of 18 to 20 grand.
That is crazy.
It is crazy.
That is ridiculous.
Yeah, my kit come up second hand.
Okay, it's a little win.
They don't come up very often, so I paid 8.5 grand for mine.
Fair play.
Which
still a lot of money, but
it's a lot of money.
It's a saving.
But the way I was looking at it was it doesn't get used much, the car. And to be honest with you, if I ever come to sell the car, I'll take the charger off, and it's probably worth 8.5 grand to anyone. Do you know what I mean? Yeah. So the whole package, coilovers are important.
And what coilers did you say you running?
I'm on Bilstein.
Okay, so you got good.
Yeah, so they're a good setup. They're 2-way adjustable, B16s. It depends what setup you want to go, how much money you want to put into it, really.
Yeah,
Exhaust, you can get away with just downpipes.
And this has got downpipes and straight through, is it? Full Miltech?
No, so this is a Miltech non-res valve system.
Okay.
I've disconnected the valves.
Loud all the time, yeah?
It's a toy.
Yeah,
do you know what I mean?
exactly.
If I was using it every day, then yes.
And that's the thing, guys. I just want to say, you trailered this up here.
Yeah.
No messing around.
No. I don't like putting miles on it.
Yeah.
It's
a toy.
I use this daily once. For a couple of weeks. I love it, and I wish I could, but I'd lose my license. What I mean?
What kind of clutch are you running on this then?
I've just had mine uprated. It's got a Satch organic clutch in, which is what Satch recommended. after giving it my power figures, and as soon as I picked it up from the shop, it's slipping. So
Jesus.
Unfortunately, this video,
Okay.
we might suffer a bit of clutch slip. It's
Okay.
usually in the higher gears.
Okay.
But shout out to Satch and Euro Car Parts who have got it through. They're replacing with a sintered 4 paddle.
Okay, and that's what it should have had initially.
That's what it should have had.
Let's talk about the wrap now.
Yeah. A bit bold. It's a love or hate. Yeah.
Yeah. What colour is it?
So this is Tiffany Blue by Hexis. Shout out to Jay Rockets Wraps. He wrapped it for me. He's done an epic job. Yeah. It's a bit bold. I had a few people telling me not to do it. It was a bold move, but it came out all right.
Yeah, I think it did. I think, bro, 630 brake near on.
It
needs to shout a little bit. Yeah,
Yeah.
you know what I mean. It's also got a 6 set of wheels in it, bro. Do you want to talk about those too?
Yeah. So again, that was a tricky one because I think standard RS4 wheels look awesome. Do you know what I mean? So these are Zito ZF01s in satin black, 19-inch wheels. Wrapped them with brand new Pilot Sport 4S's. I'll run a 5mm spacer.
Let's move on to the interior now. I mean, obviously there's not a lot of interior mods, but I've got to say, the way this looks, it looks like no one's ever sat in this passenger seat, mate. And it's got the wing backs too, which is amazing.
Yeah, that was my vital part. This has got a few extras, which are a bonus. The rear heated seats, it's got blinds. Yeah, I knew it was the one when I saw it. Although it needed work, I just knew it was the one.
Yeah, no, fair play. Bro, I think we've touched on it all.
Yeah.
Let's get out on it.
Let's go.
Let's do it. Guys, so we're now out in the RS4 and bro, the way this sounds is unreal. Banging flames too.
Yeah.
And it was launch control that we were hearing there too, you got, yeah?
Yeah, so we've got that mapped in, yeah.
And also, this is something that I think is quite important to mention or ask you, because I always get it in the comments and I'm trying to switch it up a little bit, about what people do who own the cars that come on the channel, because, you know, people aspire to perhaps own cars like this. Yeah. Do you mind talking us through what you do?
So I'm a sales manager. For a company that some of your followers might have heard of, which is HAVANT Car Company. So
HAVANT Car Company. Yeah.
HAVANT Car Company. Okay. We specialise in performance modified stuff.
Okay, so you're about this live.
100%. Yeah.
Okay,
so you know, this is maybe to not this extent. Okay. I mean, we never say never, but we'll do anything. But our two sort of niche cars are Fiesta STs and Golf Rs, you know.
Okay. So modified though too?
Yeah, stage 2, stage 3s. Okay. Yeah, I mean, we're on social media is our biggest thing for that.
Oh, shout out, man, shout out. And I'll leave anything
Facebook
in the description.
Facebook and Instagram, HAVANT Car Company. Like I say, yeah, go and give us a follow. You'll see what we do.
There you go, guys. Now you know. Yes. That first gear, that acceleration, it made my belly go. Guys, it felt like launch control. It felt like I know he's already rolling, but do you know that feeling launch control gives you when it sits you back?
Just instant, isn't it?
Instant and 100% traction.
Yeah,
grip for days.
Like, although this isn't how they should be, they handle it so well.
Mate, that's sick. And I've just clocked your traction controls off too.
I always leave it on.
And it's slightly damp.
Way too interfering. Yeah.
Really?
But you don't need it. It copes with everything. And I think a little bit of slip.
Yeah.
It's fun, isn't it? It's part of it.
But no joke. This is off. This is, mate. It's just a hammer, innit? It just bang, 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 keeps going. Charts quick. No joke. Off the charts quick. Guys, off the charts quick. I shit you not. You're used to this now, yeah? So you're probably not feeling it.
No.
Bro?
I mean, I know it's fast, but...
This is very fast. this is up there with one of the fastest cars, I think, that have been on the channel.
Really?
I shit you not. Accelerate into a corner. Yeah, it's an animal. It's an animal. It is an animal. And that's what, like, when you come into that corner, you kind of like, we're accelerating into the corner. I felt it kind of kick out a little bit. Did it slip a little bit?
A little bit, but you just kind of, I think they're a little bit known, typical Audi, for a bit of understeer.
Yeah, I've heard they
you just work it a little bit.
You play with it, yeah. But if you push any car hard enough, except from a rear wheel drive, you're going to get a little bit of like understeer.
Part of fun.
Yeah, yeah, exactly. Yeah. But bro, the way it come up that slip, it's just on. It's pure power. Yeah. It's muscle too, like the V8, you know.
I love it. I do love it. Part of me thinks, should I've just bought a GTR or something, but
bro, but
like I say, there's not many of these.
GTR. Who's rolling around with a supercharged Audi Rs4?
Bright green.
Yeah, exactly. Alright guys, so it is that time. It is the gassed up 0 to 60s with the Draggy. Now today I think it's going to be an interesting one. I think there could be a change on the 4-wheel drive or all-wheel drive leaderboard, because this is a quick car. What do you say they do stock, or what quoted figures should this do?
I don't know what they are stock. TTS say 3.4.
3.4.
With their figures. This makes a little bit more torque than their figures.
But it's getting the perfect shifts and everything.
It's the shifts. It depends how my clutch holds up as well.
Yeah.
So don't know.
Yeah.
I've never done it. I've never launched it. Nothing.
Yeah. So full send this time anyway. Guys, this is going to be interesting, bro. Let's do it. All right. So it's his first attempt, bro. When you're ready, let's get it. Okay. Your first attempt was good. It was a 4.09, so it's still not sub-3s,
no.
But that was quite good, and that was without launch control?
Without launch control.
What are you saying, we going again?
We go again.
We're going again. All right, guys, it's his last attempt. Launch control is active, bro. In it to win it. Let's do it. Slipping.
Yeah. Never mind.
All right, guys, as you've seen, the clutch has been slipping. We're going to leave it there.
We'll leave it there.
I mean, a 4.09 is still not too bad. No launch control. Big car, heavy car. It's a quick car, full stop. Guys, I'll put the leaderboard up now. I know he hasn't unfortunately made it on there today, but I mean, had the clutch not been slipping, that launch control, it could be a different story. Yeah.
We'll try it again when the clutch is back.
That's it. Woo! Audi Rs4 B7 Supercharged. I feel privileged. This is actually, it's been so much fun from the passenger seat. I've just had enough fun, like, already. Like, you know what I mean? I'm satisfied. Let alone getting to drive it.
We could just leave it there.
I am actually the first person to ever drive this car.
Yeah, no one else.
So a massive privilege, guys. This car is sick. Cool. Clutch is quite light too, isn't it?
Clutch is really light.
How's the biting?
Biting point's quite high.
Oh, you're right. Oh God.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is quite high.
Yeah.
Okay, but it's very light and manageable.
Throttle's real sensitive in sport mode.
Okay.
Yeah. Sharpens it up.
Yeah, no, I feel that, mate. And the steering's very light.
Mate, it's so easy to drive.
It feels really light.
Yeah.
Jesus, yeah. All right, so we're rolling. As I say, everything seems very light, and as you say, the throttle seems very sensitive.
Yeah,
so first gear, we take it easy. I'm going to put it into second. Oh God, straight away. Right, let's roll. Mate. That's ridiculous. That's ridiculous. And again, I kind of pussied out going around that corner a little bit because I'm so used to rear-wheel drive cars, and it's a little bit, should we say, greasy on the roads today, a little bit wet.
Yeah, definitely.
So I didn't want to push it, being the first kind of pull in the car that I've ever done. But mate, it's so responsive, and getting used to that clutch too, coming all the way off it because it's right at the top.
Yeah.
But this is a beast. This gearbox is so light.
Such a good box.
Yeah,
the throw's like perfect.
That's ridiculous. That is ridiculous. The way it climbs. When we was in third and fourth, mate, it's just...
Keeps going.
It just keeps going. It's like, yeah, just no spikes in power, just 100% traction. It's just, mate, it's a weapon. And it feels so light on its feet. It's really nimble, actually.
Yeah.
But from the passenger seat, when you're sitting in it, the impression it gave me is it's going to feel like a tank to drive, if that makes sense.
But it's
just a
big
solid
German car,
it's
isn't
just
it?
a solid
Yeah.
beast. But from the driver's seat, it feels really
Drive
adjustable and
position's awesome.
Yeah, definitely. Guys, sick. Oh mate, that, as I say, it's like launch control in that first gear. That's crazy. Let's see how it goes around this long corner. Let's accelerate at the back end of that, man. It's so quick. It's so quick. I got you. I can see it there, bro.
I've got sweaty hands and everything.
Do you know what's crazy about it too? It's like, it's mad because when you come off that throttle, it snaps so hard, didn't it? It lurches the car, innit? So it makes it a little bit more scary. But mate, yeah, this car, man, it's just, I love the power delivery. Mate, this is ridiculous.
That
this
one
is
was strong.
Mate, I'm
strong.
sure in first there, I felt it going sideways a little bit. Did you feel that?
Oh, it's probably, yeah.
Wow.
So, that one was strong.
That was strong as hell, innit? Let's do another second gear ball. That is too much fun, man. Yeah, it's too quick for these roads. Oh man, but it's 100% traction. It just still goes. I can feel like in the top of third now and again it wants to let go a little bit of the traction with the clutch. You can feel a little bit of slip coming in.
Yeah.
And now and again, it's just there's no rhyme or reason to it.
Yeah,
Really.
it's
Makes sense.
it's just hanging there.
Yeah.
It's just hanging on in there.
But the way mate, I'm surprised it handles first and second so well. The amount of power and the speed we're going.
Yeah.
This is ridiculous.
Yeah.
What a tool, man. What a tool. This and the sound, everything just comes together perfectly. Like, you know what I mean? The icing on the cake is the sound to how fast we're moving. It's sick. Alright guys, so that is a wrap. We're ending the video here. It's been a sick day actually getting to drive a B7 Audi Rs4 that's supercharged, bro. I'm really appreciative of that, man.
Pleasure.
It's a special car.
Yeah.
This car is, guys, no joke, it's so fast. Literally, and it's just made better by the traction, like, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
You're just putting the power down. It's a proper occasion. Guys, if you did like today, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Make sure you go back and check some other content out too. I know you like that. Check links in the description too, because I'm a point you guys in the direction of your company. I think it's only fair to. And we'll catch you on the next one. So yeah, peace out guys.